As someone who I use a few different tools, and it's certainly some of the like legacy platforms that I've used are rapidly adopting AI based features, but I guess it's kind of it's a good and a bad thing from a marketer standpoint, I would imagine, just because, there's all these tools out there, some very specialized, but it also means now we're kind of expanding how many tools we're using. But, do you see that kind of contracting over the years ahead as there are these, some consolidations, or, is specialization kind of the way it's going to be for a little while at least?
I think in the short term, it's just hard. I think we can go in a bunch of different directions. One, we can look at the companies that are already in our tech stack and saying, okay, they have this AI component that we've been using this small tech for. If we're already paying for the big tech, are they that different? Should we be just using what we already have? Or is there some value at this big point of differentiation in this smaller tech? And if there is there an API? Is there a Zap? Is there something we can set up to make sure that it does integrate with everything that we're doing? So I think it almost is down to, what's the use case? What's the problem? What are you trying to solve? What is the best tech? And then when you get into the bigger, if you're working for an enterprise, sometimes you're just like, here's what you're getting,
right? Right.
Just to get through approvals, procurement, onboarding, all of that. A lot of times we're just using what we have the means to use.